The Leadtree 9-inch Carplay screen offers seamless wireless connectivity with both Carplay and Android Auto, providing a hands-free and safer driving experience. It includes a high-definition 1080-pixel reversing camera that assists with parking and ensures accurate real-time GPS navigation. The 9-inch high-definition touchscreen is designed for both Android and iOS and delivers an exceptional visual and auditory experience with its vibrant display and sensitive touch response. Equipped with versatile audio output options including Bluetooth 5.0, built-in dual stereo speakers, aux, and FM transmitters, this CarPlay screen caters to diverse audio needs. The installation process is straightforward, with options for adhesive or suction mounts, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles without altering the existing car console. Enhancing the in-car experience, the device supports USB and SD cards, multilingual settings, and comes with a 1-year warranty, making it an excellent gift choice for special occasions.